Are you planning a move from Ohio to North Carolina? But before you pack up your belongings, you'll need the right moving company to ensure a smooth and stress-free transition. In today's video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about moving from Ohio to North Carolina, including cost breakdowns, tips for choosing a mover, and what to expect throughout the process. North Carolina offers something truly unique: coastal beaches, picturesque mountains, and a warm climate year-round. When planning your move from Ohio to North Carolina, it's crucial to find the best and most affordable moving company for the job. With so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Be sure to compare at least a few moving companies. Each one offers different services, and some might have better rates or additional services like packing, unpacking, or even car shipping. Now let's talk about the most important question: how much will it cost? The price of your move depends on several factors, including distance, the size of your home, and the services you choose. Average cost: $1,239, $6,210. Factors affecting price: distance, size of home, services, packing, unpacking, etc. For example, if you're moving a 2-bedroom home, the cost could range between $2,500 and $3,600, depending on your departure city and the specific services you choose. Ready to make your move from Ohio to North Carolina? Call us today for a free quote and let us help you with every step of your relocation. Our team of professional movers is dedicated to making your transition as smooth as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. We look forward to making your Ohio to NC move an easy and stress-free experience.